Welcome, my wonderful viewers. Last time, we talked about subtraction operations regarding algebraic expressions. So today, we'll be talking about multiplication with respect to algebraic expressions. I hope you have watched my last video. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it so that you learn how to subtract and add algebraic expression. So a quick one. Today we'll be looking at multiplication operations. Now, one thing you need to understand is that when we talk about multiplication operations in algebraic expressions, now all the rules that apply to arithmetic also apply to what? Algebraic expression. How? Now, for instance, in algebraic expressions, if we have a positive number multiplying another positive number, the result will always be a positive answer, or it will always be a positive. If we have a negative number or variable multiplying another negative, the result will be what? Positive. If we have negative multiplying positive, we have negative. Or if we have positive multiplying negative, the result will be negative. Now, take a look at these two. Take note of these two. It doesn't matter which one that comes first. As long as we have a negative multiplying a positive, the result must be what? Positive and negative. How do you remember this? Again, a memory aid. Once the two signs are the same, the result must be positive. Once the two signs are the same, for instance, plus and plus give us plus. The same, minus and minus multiply will give us plus. But once the signs are different, minus plus, they are different, the answer will be minus. Plus minus multiplying minus. Now with that being said, let me give an example. Let's say you are giving something like this. You are giving example. Let's say you are giving 2x multiplying 3y. Right? Now, in order to solve this algebraic expression, you need to know something. Now, ask yourself, what are the signs on this variable? There are two variables here. We have the x variable. And the y variable. There are two variables here. We have the x variable and the y variable. So this is the x variable, this is the y variable. Now this number attached to them, these 2 and 3, they are called the coefficients. They are called the coefficients. So 2 here is the coefficient of x. 3 here is the coefficient of y. Now how do we solve them? Like I said, you need to take note of the signs before them. Now on this 2x, there is a positive sign before it, even though it was not indicated. Again, on 3y, there is a positive sign. Now, algebra multiplication is all about 3 things. How do I mean? Algebra is all about multiplying. It's all about multiplying signs by what? Constants. Then by what? Variables. You will understand now. When I solve this, you will understand. Now, let's solve this. Now, ask yourself, what are the signs on the two variables here? We have plus. Now, remember our rule. Plus multiplying plus will give us plus, right? So here we have plus multiplying plus here. So our answer will be a what? A plus. From this rule. Now I go over to the constants or numbers. Ask yourself, what numbers are involved? Here we have 2, here we have 3. Now 2 multiplied by 3 will give us what? 6. Right? Now, how about the variables? We have 2 variables here. We have x and we have y. So multiply them together. X times y will give us x, y. So our answer is that plus 2x multiplying 3y will give us 6xy. I hope that is understood. Now let me give another example. Now let's say you were given, let me give another example, a quick one. Let's say you were given 8k multiply minus 3p. Now again, let's say this is example 2. Now again, watch. Ask yourself, 8k multiply minus 3p. Ask yourself, what are the signs involved? Here we have plus before this 8. Here we have minus before this 3. What are the variables? K and p. What are the numbers? 8 and 3. Now, following this rule that I told you, let's multiply the signs together. Plus multiply minus. Remember the rule. When they are different, when you multiply they are different, the answer will give you negative. Plus multiply minus will give us minus. Then the numbers 8 times 3 will give us 24. Right? And then let's go over to the variables. What variables are involved? K and P. Right? So you write K, P. As simple as that. So that's our answer for that one. Now, let's say you were given another example too, where the two variables are negative. Let's say this is example 3. Let's say you are given minus 4y multiply minus 3x, something like this, right? Now, how do we solve? What are the signs? The signs are negative and negative. Remember, when you multiply negative, they are the same, so it should give us positive. Then what are the numbers? 4 and 3. 4 multiplied by 3 will give us 12. Then what are the variables? X and y and x. So when you multiply, you write x, y. So as simple as that. So that is that about multiplying algebraic expression. Remember, the key thing here is understanding that when you multiply two positive numbers, positive multiplied by positive will always give us what? A positive. Then negative multiplied by another negative will give us what? A positive. Then positive multiplying negative will always give us negative. And then negative multiplying positive will always give us negative. If you are able to remember these rules, right, then this will be an easy peasy for you, right? So, a quick one. Let me give you what to do. You are going to do this for me and then give your answer in the comment section. Now, let's say they gave you minus 3y multiply minus 4k, right? Let's say this one, number 2, you are then given 4x multiply 3p. Now number 3, let's say you are given minus 5 multiply 2x. So give me your answer in the comment section. So in the next video, I will show you how to carry out division operations in algebra. Thanks for watching.